You can generate income using free or low-cost AI tools through freelance services, content creation, building digital products, and offering consulting, with the potential to scale these ideas up to $5,000 or more per month. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. AI website creation. Building a website no longer requires coding, design experience, or even hiring expensive developers, because AI website creation has completely changed the game. Today, anyone can launch a professional, high-converting website in minutes by simply describing their idea to an AI tool. It starts with entering a short prompt, the name of your business, what you sell, and the style you want. Instantly, the AI generates a full layout with a home page, about page, services, pricing sections, and even branded colors that match your niche. You can ask the AI to rewrite headlines, improve product descriptions, or design modern hero banners with high-quality images. The best part is that AI automates everything that used to take days: SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, call-to-action placement, and even connecting payment gateways. Need a blog page? The AI adds it. Want your site to feel luxury, minimalist, or tech-inspired? The AI redesigns it in seconds. And for businesses trying to make money online, AI-driven builders now create entire funnels, landing pages, and email capture forms without a single line of code. What used to cost thousands of dollars is now achievable with a laptop and a simple idea. Whether you're starting a personal brand, launching a service, or building an online store, AI website creation gives beginners the power to look like professionals on day one. It removes the fear, the complexity, and the time-consuming steps, so creators can focus on selling, scaling, and growing instead of struggling with design. AI is becoming the new website developer, designer, and content writer all in one, making it possible for anyone to turn an idea into a fully functional website in just a few minutes. 2. Write and sell content. Using AI tools to generate income online has become one of the smartest ways to build a digital business in 2025. You no longer need to be a tech expert to profit from artificial intelligence. You just need creativity and strategy. Start by exploring AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to create blogs, social media posts, and marketing content that businesses are already paying for. You can also use AI design tools such as Canva Magic Studio or Leonardo.ai to make stunning visuals, logos, and thumbnails for clients or your own online store. Many people earn consistent income by offering AI-powered content writing, YouTube script writing, or social media management services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Others use AI to write ebooks, online courses, or newsletters that they sell for passive income. The key is to pick a niche, such as business, lifestyle, or tech, and build your content brand around it. Combine AI efficiency with your personal touch, and you can produce more in less time while maintaining quality. As more entrepreneurs turn to automation, those who master AI tools early will have a huge advantage in creating, scaling, and monetizing online content. 3. YouTube Shorts using AI. Creating YouTube Shorts using AI is one of the fastest and easiest ways to grow an online income in 2025. You don't need expensive equipment or editing skills. AI tools can handle almost everything. Start by using ChatGPT or Gemini to generate catchy video ideas, scripts, and titles around trending topics in your niche. Then use AI voice tools like 11 Labs or Play.ht to create realistic voiceovers and combine them with visuals made from tools like Pexels, Runway ML, or Canva's video editor. You can even use tools such as Opus Clip or Video.ai to turn longer videos into engaging short clips. The key is consistency. Post shorts daily with strong hooks in the first few seconds and trending background music. Add engaging captions and hashtags using AI keyword tools to boost visibility. Once you start gaining views and subscribers, monetize through YouTube's partner program, affiliate marketing, or by promoting your own digital products. With AI doing most of the heavy lifting, you can create professional, viral shorts in minutes, turning creativity and technology into a real source of online income. 4. Create digital products. Creating digital products is one of the most powerful ways to generate income online using AI tools. You can start by identifying a profitable niche. something people are already searching for, like productivity templates, digital planners, ebooks, or online courses. Then use AI tools such as ChatGPT to write product descriptions, Canva to design stunning visuals, and tools like Notion AI or Midjourney to enhance creativity and quality. Once your product is complete, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. AI makes the entire process faster, from brainstorming ideas to designing and marketing your product. You can also use AI analytics tools to study what sells best and adjust your offers for maximum profit. The beauty of digital products is that they are created once but can be sold an unlimited number of times, giving you a steady stream of income without ongoing production costs. With the right combination of creativity and smart use of AI, anyone can turn simple ideas into profitable digital assets online. 5. Design and build apps and websites. Designing and building apps and websites using AI has become one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Today, you don't need to be a coding expert. AI tools can help you create professional designs, write code, and even optimize user experience. Start by using platforms like Framer, Durable, or Wix ADI to instantly build stunning websites with AI-generated layouts and content. For apps, tools like Glide, Adalo, and Bubble let you create mobile or web apps visually without writing a single line of code. You can use ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot to generate custom code, troubleshoot errors, or write back-end logic in seconds. Combine this with design tools like Figma or Canva Magic Studio to create beautiful UI and UX elements that make your project stand out. Once you build a few websites or apps, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal, or create your own SaaS product to earn recurring income. The demand for AI-assisted development is booming, and those who master these tools can build faster, serve more clients, and earn thousands per month by turning ideas into fully functional digital solutions. In conclusion, using AI tools to generate income online opens endless opportunity for anyone willing to learn and take action. Whether you're creating digital products, designing websites, building apps, or producing YouTube shorts, AI helps you save time, boost creativity, and scale your results faster than ever before. The key is to combine AI efficiency with your personal creativity, because while AI can generate ideas and content, it's your human touch that makes it valuable and unique. Start small, experiment with different tools, and focus on providing real value through your work. Over time, your skills and digital assets can grow into a steady stream of income and even a full-time business. In this new digital era, those who embrace AI early aren't just working smarter. They are building the future of online success. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.